how to view your following list in Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find and browse through them. First of all, open the application. So now we're inside the app. Here we're in this home page. Basically, this is the place where you can find all your posts and feed. Here on the top, you can see this following button. Simply tap on following. Now these are the people whom you follow. So all the posts and the people added or followed by you will pop up. Now you can easily browse through them and find out the ones that you follow. Here you can even unfollow them if you don't want it, and it's a way of managing your following list. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.